In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by clicking on an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same with your second app, and when you're ready, access them. Now, with both of your apps opened in the background, you need to decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Tap on Split View in the pop-up and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you need to drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!